Mayroon ako ipapakita sa inyo. Magluluto ako ng gisadong munggo. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung style ng Bisaya. Bisaya version ang aking pagluluto ng gisadong munggo. So, as a diabetic person, so, kailangan natin i-minimize yung ating paglalagay ng mga ingredient. So, ang meron lang ako na simple lang na meron akong chicharon. Ito naman ay onion, garlic, dilis. Tapos, meron akong alugbate at itong alugbate ay hugas na yan mga guys ha. Tanim ko lang to sa aking backyard. Kaya yan, napaka-fresh. At lalagyan ko ng coconut cream and combination with coconut milk. Tapos, lalagyan ko rin siya ng malunggay. Hugas na to guys ha. Pero ito guys, ang gagawin ko nito, basta titingnan niyo lang guys ha. Kasi hindi to ilalagay siya lahat guys ha, na parang akala nyo basta makikita niyo kung papaano ang aking style. Tapos mayroon siyang guys, sili, tapos may kasama siyang dahon. Ganyan. Yan ang gusto ko lang. Optional lang naman yan guys. Tapos yan lang, 'di ba may iba na lalagyan ng okra, no? May okra, may ano pa mang klaseng ganyan. Pero ako guys, simple lang talaga yung sa akin. Dapat hipon, ganyan, may hipon pa. Pero dahil wala nga kaming hipon, so ito lang yung ingredient na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kaya, maganda to sa mga nagbabudget, diba? Ang mga mama, ang mga monche-monche, ang mga, natin dyan, yung mga talagang patok sa pag-budget, konting ganito lang, pwede na, diba? Ganon ang mga, maganda mag-budget sa kusina. So, ngayon, mag-uumpisa akong mag-gisa, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang procedure niya na gawin. So, sabayan nyo ako guys. So, dito tayo sa aking kitchen. Yan, sa aking kitchen. So, maglagay tayo ng, ito yung aking munggo na nilaga ko na. So, ito, ipapainitin ko to, guys. Papainitin. Yan. Anuhin lang muna natin. Ipainit lang muna natin, guys. No? Para, tapos, magamit ako ng ganitong kasi para hindi ma-scratch yung ating napakamahal. Nirigalo lang to sa akin guys. Kaya kailangan ingatan natin yung mga nireregalo sa atin. Diba? Anyway, antayin natin yan na siya ay matuyo dahil hinugasan ko siya. So ngayon kukuha ako ng oil. Okay. Ang oil ko ay ito. Yan ang ginagamit kong oil na vegetable oil pa. Vegetable oil lang yan. Yan lang yan guys. Walang kaik-ikan. Yan. Tapos para mabilis yung natin, kukuha ako ng paper towel para madali matanggal yung kanyang water na nililino ko kasi siya, ninugasan ko kasi siya. Yan. So, mainit-init na, kaya hindi na natin mahawakan yung mamaya-maya. Panoorin ninyo lang ako guys ha. Panoorin lang ninyo ako. Yan, ganyan. Panoorin lang ninyo ako. Pakita naman yung ating mukha, no? Baka hindi makikita yung ating, ayan, perfect ka dyan. Antayin lang natin kung ay tawag nito, ganyan taas-taas ng konti, ganyan. Nagpasalamat ako dito sa aking kaibigan na si Marky at siya ang tumulong sa akin. Ay, nako, eto. Ang tagal mag-antay ng mainit yung ano, no? Eto parang mainit na. O, sige. Ilalagay na natin ang ating... Okay, sorry but... Okay, I have to... pagpasensahan na ninyo ang aking English. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, I'm cooking beans. I don't know what I call that in English, but it's beans, right? Is it beans? It's a mongo. But I'll show you guys if you can put this one here. See? This, I don't know what I call, but that one. So if we call that is a mongo, we call that is a mongo. So hang on, I'm just gonna. It's a vegetable, guys. I know you are asking that questions maybe later on. That what is that? Hang on, guys. I just wanna dry this. I just wanna dry this one. Now I'm going to put some oil, a vegetable oil. It's not that much because I don't like too much oil. It's just enough to cook the garlic and onions. So now I'm waiting to a little bit getting hot, the oil. So I'm going to put a garlic. So I'll just wait for a little bit. Now it's already, I think it's ready. So I put the garlic. Did we have to put ginger? No? There is, I'm asking if they put some ginger and no ginger. If it's mongo. It's just like very simple. Then I put this one. We call this dilis. To fry a little bit because this is to make it like the tastier. So, and then we put the onions. The smell. It's already, I already smell. And then after this, guys, after a couple of minutes, we just leave it there for until the onion is a little bit changed the color, and then we put the crushed chicharron. This is a pork, skin pork, but it's already cooked. So it's crackles, and you can eat anyway. See? Okay, now it's ready for me to put this one in. And just leave it there until it's come up the oil from the skin pork skin. So leave it there. And we're just waiting for a while. We don't need to stir all the time. And I'll just leave it a little bit. then occasional. Sorry, my English is not perfect, but I know that you guys, you understand what I'm talking about. But I know friend of mine at my workplace, they want me to speak English. That way they do understand what I'm cooking, what sort of like what I'm cooking. So I'm cooking disadong munggo. So the munggo is this one here. So what happened is the procedure with this one, you have to boil this until it's cooked, and then it's ready to cook. It's ready like this, see? As this one, see? I can see already that the oil from the skin pork, it's coming out. So we just leave it there for a while until it's, you know, it's changed, or a little bit the smell, it's the aroma smell is come out. Aroma. So well, that's what it is. That's what it is. So leave it there for a while, so I can smell already the cenobis. I think that's what, you know, I show you before, a very little cenobis, you know. I think that's what it says in Australia. It's this one that I'm talking about. That one. Okay, that one. Alright, so okay, now because I can see the onion, it's ready, it's cooked already, and the garlic as well. So I can now pour this munggo inside here. So now we can stir it. Malaki pa yung munggo, yung ito. I like this, supposed to be this one is a little bit smaller, but I think it's Marky is when he prepared the pork skin, it's like this. It's supposed to be is this, just like that, but he put it like this, is too big. So because he concentrate for something, he did not concentrate of what he's doing. So I'm apologize for it. It's supposed to be is this size, right? It's like that kind of look. But oh, this is big one. It's not supposed to be like that. So I am apologize for that. And then this is supposed to be like this. Yeah. So you see, guys, when you cook and a lot of chef in the kitchen, and that's what happened, is not perfect. But next time, guys, I promised you, next time when I'm cook, it will be perfect. Well, it's first time, guys. First time that I cook this and I show you. So hopefully, I can tell that it's delicious, 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 delicious. So now I'm gonna cover up for the meantime, and then we wait when it's boiled, and then when it's boiled, then we can put the vegetable. Okay, so we can put this one in, and when that is boiled. So, guys, I'll come back to you when I put all the ingredients inside, and I'll come back to you again. Hello guys, ito na naman, binalikan ko kayo dahil nilagay ko na lahat yung ingredient na pinakita ko sa inyo. So ito na ngayon ang looks niya. Yan. This is what it's gonna look. So I'll already explain before, and then now this is what it's look. So it's not all the ingredient. It's supposed to be still have the bitter melon. In the Philippines, it's called ampalaya. But because we don't have any ampalaya, so I'll just use what I have. So yung mga babudget dyan ng mga mommies, di ba? Ito, patok na patok to sa pagbabudget ninyo, guys. Yan. Kaya, parang ano nga siya, nag-ano yung kanyang sabaw. So, ano ba ang mas prepared ninyo, guys? Yung maraming sabaw? O medyo ganito? Ang nag-dry na siya, Anyan. Dadagdagan natin ang ng sabaw. Dadagdagan daw ng sabaw. Kasi medyo, so ngayon, dadagdagan natin ng konting sabaw, guys. Kasi di ba yung iba, gusto nila mas maraming sabaw. Yung iba gusto nila maraming sabaw. Yan guys. Ito na guys. Ganito na ang niya. Ganito na yung look niya. Yan. Titikman ko na guys Kasi titikman ko na kung anong lasa niya. Anong magiging lasa. I'm sure guys. Talagang tingnan natin kung patok sa lasa. Naku guys, alam mo ang niya, fresh, tapos maano mo talaga yung malunggay at saka yung alugbati. Yun, at saka parang ang ganda ng combination niya guys. Yan, napaka-simple lang siya. Tapos, lagyan lang siya ng gata. Masarap, guys. Matamis na mes. Ngayon, guys, ipapatikim ko din dito sa final final ng natin. Ito, ako na naman ang maghahawak at tingnan nyo guys patitikim ko sa itong kay Marky para guys siya na naman ang magsasalita guys. Titingnan ko kung gaano kasarap ang aking niluto at siya ang magja-judge. Okay, Marky, ready? Ayan. Ano ang masasabi mo, Marky?
Ayos.
So, simple lang. Simple lang siya. Pero, di ba yung lasa niya, anong malalasahan mo?
Yung dahon ng
alugbati, malunggay,
yung
sili, yung gata. Tapos tama lang ba siya sa salt, sa mo? Tama lang siya talaga, di ba? Yan, ganyan lang siya guys. Tingnan mo that's what it's gonna look na. The things that I cook. So, what do you think guys? So, give me a buzz. Or message me if you want to know. So, this is it. This is the vegetable, fresh, organic vegetable. So guys, it's very, if you want to know more about it, just message me. And tomorrow I have to cook again, but I cook vegetable fruits. It's called jackfruits for cooking. So, aabangan ninyo ako bukas dahil magluluto na naman ako at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano magluto ng langkang, ginataang langka. So guys, from here, I'll back to you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for watching.